What's up, YouTube? I'm just sitting here on Google looking at Morse code. Yeah, yay, Morse code. Okay, but really, I'm on here asking if there's any of you out there that knows Morse code. Can you do a video response, like in the comment section? Uh, I guess teaching me how to do or learn Morse code, if that's possible, or even if you can do it by in a comment or a personal message. Um, Besides that, that's pretty much it, I guess. Um, oh yeah, and I guess computer science, as some people refer it as, which it's supposed to be called, but also kind of interested in that. So if there's any of you out there that can teach me, like in a video response or um, anything, just let me know and like personal message, comment, video response, pretty much anything. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video if you liked it. Thank you for watching.